Hey guys, welcome back. I am Aishwarya from Digital 2 Design. In this series of tutorials, we're going to cover everything from basic to advanced concepts in search engine optimization. In this session, we're going to learn about keyword research. When doing SEO for a company's website, we need to figure out which keywords the website should rank for. We need to understand what products or services the target audience is searching for. Based on these search terms, we work on on-page SEO. Proper keyword research is crucial because it's a long-time process. In this playlist, we'll cover the types of keywords, what targeting keywords are, how to do targeting research, how to validate your chosen keywords, and how to find keywords related to your primary keyword. In today's video, we'll discuss the types of keywords and targeting keywords. The rest of the topics will be covered in upcoming videos. First, let's talk about the types of keywords. There are three types of keywords in SEO, such as short-tail keywords, mid-tail keywords, and long-tail keywords. If you're doing SEO for a website, you need to decide which type of keyword is suitable for that business, as the organic growth of the website depends on this. First, we have short-tail keywords. These are more generic and consist of one or two words. For example, if someone searches for customized shoes, many results will appear for this search query because the keyword is very generic. Short-tail keywords have a lot of competition and high search traffic. If your website ranks for these keywords, you'll get more traffic but lower conversions, as the broad keyword might lead to irrelevant visitors, increasing your bounce rate. Next are mid-tail keywords, which consist of 2 to 4 words. They are not as generic as short-tail keywords and not as specific as long-tail keywords. For example, customized Puma shoes gives a clearer idea of what the user is looking for. These keywords attract high competition and search volume but are more specific than short-tail keywords. Finally, we have long-tail keywords. These are more specific and give users exactly what they want from the search engine. For example, customized Puma shoes for men is very specific. Long-tail keywords have lower search traffic and competition, making it easier to rank in search engines. I hope you now understand the types of keywords. Next, let's look into types of targeting keywords. There are 4 types of targeting keywords: product keywords, branded keywords, competitor keywords, and geo-targeted keywords. Product keywords include the company's products or services. For example, customized Puma shoes is a product keyword because it contains both the product and brand name. These are useful for e-commerce or single product websites. Branded keywords are similar but focus on the brand name. For example, if you're doing SEO for a retail company selling multiple brands like Nike, Adidas, Puma, and Skechers, you need to use their brand names in your keywords. Competitor keywords also target brand names but focus on the competition. Geo-targeted keywords are used when targeting a specific location. For example, customized Puma shoes in Chennai or customized Puma shoes in Mumbai targets a city, resulting in lower search volume and competition. When using geo-targeted keywords, you need to decide if you'll use short-tail, mid-tail, or long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more accurate and make shortlisting easier. I hope you understand keyword types and targeting keywords in this session. If you have any questions or doubts, mention them in the comments and I'll answer as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital 2 Design. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye guys.